everybody! Today is Friday. Good morning. I am in the kitchen because we are going to make champorado. So we are going to need 3 pieces of tablea and 1.5 cup of rice. The very first thing that we're gonna do is to clean the rice. So we need to rinse it with water 2 times. Okay, so we used the traditional type of pot. This one, the caldero, because the tablea might leave some stains after cooking. Okay, so once the rice is perfectly cleaned, we need to add 3 to 4 cups of water, and then we boil the rice. Next, we are going to put the tablea, let it melt, just leave it there and let it melt for about a minute or 2. As you can see there, the tablea is slowly melting. Yan. Just keep on stirring up until the tablea is fully melted. As you can see, it's already brown. This time, we are going to add sugar. It depends on how much sugar you would want your champorado to have. Stir and wait for a few more minutes. Finally, here it is! Our freshly cooked champorado. Wow! I'm so excited to eat this. You can also make your own version. Let's eat now! Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in my next video.